Science o'clock, Junior Pepper's Lab.
Oh no! It's been 30 minutes already? Well, it shouldn't look like this. Oh, hello boys and girls! It's me, Pepper again. Well, today is National Cooking Day and I was trying to bake a cake, but I got too engrossed in reading my book that I forgot all about it. And I don't think we can eat this anymore. Well, thankfully, I found a recipe in this book that can make orange jelly, and I think we can try it out. Shall we make the orange jelly together? Let's go!
For this recipe, you will need oranges, a packet of jelly powder, water, pot and stove, spoon, measuring cup, and a knife. Step 1. Cut the orange into half and remove the fruit pulp. Remember to do this with an adult. You can enjoy the fruit on its own or eat it with the jelly. Step 2. Pour 1 packet of jelly powder into a mixing bowl. Step 3. Add water according to the instructions on the back of the jelly powder packaging. Step 4. Stir well until the jelly powder dissolves fully. Step 5. Add hot water and stir the mixture continuously. Step 6. Pour the jelly mixture into the orange peel. Allow the mixture to cool and place it in the refrigerator to set. Step 7. Once the jelly has set, slice it into wedges. Remember to do this with an adult. You can also create jelly with other fruits and jelly flavors and see how they turn out.
Yay, I'm done! Well, this looks so yummy! But have you ever wondered how jelly is formed? Well, jelly powder contains gelatin, which derives from animal parts. When put in hot water, the gelatin dissolves and mixes with the water evenly. This mixture takes the shape of the orange peel, which cools down to form the spring and smooth jelly. Yummy! Well, I hope you had fun making and eating the orange jelly. Try making jelly with other fruits and show us creation by tagging us or commenting in the comment section below. Well, I'm going to share this jelly with my other friends. Goodbye! Woo!
If you enjoyed cooking, join Cook and Click to whip up a plant-based meal with your parent and pick up some food photography skills along the way.